If you're looking for new construction in Sterling, Virginia, priced well under $600,000, you're going to want to check out today's video. I'm here at Regal Chase in Sterling, which is a Beazer Homes community. And today we are going to be checking out their model of the Monroe. That is their smaller floor plan. It's a little over 1,500 square feet. So if that's something you're interested in, be sure to stick around because we're going to get after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living, eating, sleeping, working, and playing in Northern Virginia, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell for notifications so that you'll never miss a video. So as I mentioned today, I'm here at the Regal Chase community, which is a Beazer Homes community, and this model is absolutely gorgeous. This community is walking distance to countryside, so you can walk to shops, dining, and it's just across from the Dulles Town Center. So if you're looking for endless amounts of shopping and getting in some entertainment at the movie theater, you're just a few minutes away. Fantastic location here. These homes are really convenient to Route 7, 28, and Dulles Airport. So without further ado, let's go check it out. So there you have it, a tour of the Monroe floor plan here at Regal Chase, which is a Beazer Homes community. If you have any questions about the community, drop us a comment below or reach out to us. We always love hearing from you. And as always, whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, reach out on social, whatever works for you. We've got your back when you're making that move to Northern Virginia. And until next time, we hope to show you around town.